alpha and beta are the zeros of x square minus 4x plus 1, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. So here we need to find the values of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. See, in this if I'll take LCM, alpha beta, so here you'll get like beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. See, directly if you'll try to factorize by splitting the middle term, it's not possible because 1 times 1, you'll not be able to split this one. So instead of that, directly you can use the formula. See, alpha plus beta, so first write the equation x square minus 4x plus 1, compare with the standard ax square plus bx plus c. The a value is 1, then b is minus 4, c is 1. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus of minus 4 by 1, which is 4. Then alpha into beta is c by a. So c is 1 by 1, which is 1. So now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is 4 by 1 minus alpha into beta is again 1. So 4 minus 1, which is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the correct option is A. The correct option is A. Alpha and beta are the zeros of x square plus px plus q. Then polynomial having 1 by alpha and 1 by beta as its zeros. Now see, if the zeros are reciprocal, okay, now see here alpha and beta, and we need to find a quadratic equation whose zeros are reciprocal of this one. See, if you interchange the coefficient of x square and constant, you will get the answer. So answer is like qx square, this as it is, and here this 1. So a and c values if you interchange, that is the answer, qx square plus px plus 1. So the correct option is C. But I'll give the proof for this. Now say x square plus px plus q. So if you compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c, a value is 1, b is p, c is q. So here alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so minus p by 1. Next alpha into beta is c by a, c value is q by 1. Now I need to find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. So see, you can use the formula, or otherwise first find sum. Sum is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So alpha beta is LCM. So alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is minus p, and alpha beta is q, minus p by q. Next find product. 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So 1 by alpha beta. So 1 by alpha beta is q. So if you'll compare this with the standard, like minus b by a and c by a. So a value is q, b is minus p, so b is p, c is 1. So ax square plus bx plus c. So qx square plus px plus 1. So the correct option is C. Or you can use the formula, like formula is x square minus x into sum of the zeros, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, plus product of the zeros is 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. Now here x square minus x into, if you take LCM, same alpha beta, here you'll get alpha plus beta plus 1 by alpha beta. So if you substitute the values, x square minus, you can write equal to 0. So x into alpha plus beta is minus p by q plus 1 by q. So if you take LCM in this, LCM is q. So q x square minus into minus plus px plus 1. So q x square plus px plus 1 equals 0. So as it is a MCQ, so my advice is just interchange the values of A and C if you are finding a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocal of the given polynomial. So the correct option is alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial 5x square minus 7x plus 2. So if you compare with the standard one, x square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 5, b value is minus 7, c is 2. So sum of their reciprocals. So then sum of the reciprocal means sum of the reciprocals of alpha and beta. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. LCM is alpha beta, and numerator you will get beta plus alpha. You can write alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. A and a cancel. Minus b by c. Minus of b is minus 7 by c is 2. So the answer is 7 by 2. So the correct option is A. The correct option is A. The quadratic polynomial p of x with minus 81 and 3 as product and 1 0. So product is minus 81 and 1 0. Alpha is 3. So product is alpha into beta is minus 81. Alpha is 3. So I'll get the value of beta, that is minus 81. So beta is minus 81 by 3. So beta is minus 27. So you got alpha, beta and product. So find sum. First find sum. Sum is alpha plus beta minus 27 plus 3, that is minus 24. So sum is minus b by a. Okay, now find, already they gave the product. Product is minus 81. So c by a, alpha into beta is c by a is minus 81. You can write by 1. Now if you compare, you will get the value of a is 1, b is minus 24, because minus b is minus 24, so b is 24, and c is minus 81. So equation is like ax square plus bx plus c, 1x square plus 24x minus 81. So x square plus 24x minus 81. So the correct option is A. The correct option is A. The graph y equals p of x given below, the number of zeros of p of x. So polynomial is in terms of x, so we need to see the graph cuts x-axis at how many points. Here it is 1, 2, 3. So the graph cuts at x-axis at 3 points. The number of zeros will be 3. The correct option is D.